Crunchy water. Tastes good. Alright guys, so I've been really liking these challenges so far. So today's challenge is going to be how many bird over valleys can I do in 1 minute. I keep on forgetting my phone, oh my god. And let's go. This one or that one? Nah, I'm gonna give this one a chance. I think it's funny how some people just look at me holding a camera to my face. I'm like, you need me? You need help? Alright, since you guys are probably bored of being in that one park, I brought you guys to another park. Whoa, brightness. It is way bigger than the other one. And it has this. You know? Who doesn't want that in a video? All the time. Let's get to it. Oops. Alright, setting the timer for 1 minute and what is it, over the valley? Alright. Alright. Whoops. I'm gonna do a redo again.
Mommy, see at the top. Okay, be careful. Mommy, see.
Alright.
Aaliyah, Perez, you're going home. Aaliyah, Brent, Chris, you're going home. Brent.
I think that went well. Alright, by the way, are you guys liking these videos? Because I just want to know. I want to see if I can improve in something. If I need to improve in something, comment down below, please. That would be like appreciative. What? Alright. It's like 5,000 degrees out here. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. By the way, if you guys are wondering what happened to my phone, a friend slapped it out of my hand. Yeah. It just went boosh. I picked it up and it got messed up. And I lost the case. So yeah. Do not skate in the middle of the road. Especially on the opposite side. People are looking at me weird. They're like, what are you doing? You're in the middle of the road. And I think it's funny. Hey, doggy. 3, 2, 1. Gosh, you never press it.